Hey everyone, thanks for stopping back, checking out my channel again. So for today's video, I'm going to do a quick little review about my propane forge I made. It's fairly cheap, I'd say altogether. I spent maybe, let's see, 15 plus 15 is 30, the pipe another 20, so probably 50 bucks, plus the high pressure propane regulator, which in all the other videos they never tell you to get, but you need that. It's the most important thing. Otherwise, your flame just comes out just like a lighter. There's no force behind it. So come over here and I'll show you what I got. So like I said, I ended up buying 2 packs of these fire bricks. So each pack comes with 6 bricks. Total I used 10 bricks, 3 on the bottom, 1 on the back, 3 on the top, and 1.5 on the side. I cut 1 in half. So essentially I did 1.5, 1.5, and then I had some little sheet metal left over. So it's about 13, I think it's 9, yeah, about 9.25 by about 9 inches again. So like I said, for the brick, about 30 bucks. Then this is just a little brick mortar compound mix. I think a little 1 pound jug of it is $2.99 or $3.99 at Menards. And then for the burner I built, this is 3/4 inch tubing with a 1.25 inch coupler. Then here I have, this is a 1/4 inch pipe here to a valve. Then another little chunk of 1/4 inch pipe here. This one is 3 inch. This is a 6 inch section here. They want to keep this away from the top a little bit, even though it's not hot. I'll try my cover it up. Perfect. And then the hose. And then this is the regulator that you need. I think it's about 30 bucks. And then as I open it up, you can hear it. Low. Crank it on up, and that thing's super hot. You usually keep it around 5 or 10 psi. And the propane lasts a long time. I'm just going to turn it down for the video. It lasts a long time. But yes, don't forget the regulator. So all in all, it works pretty good. I like it. Show you inside there if you can see that. Got my 2 little knives I'm making for my brother down in North Carolina. Give a shout out, hey Johnny! This little stand I made to weld together some old leaf springs. You see that? Oh man, look at that beautiful weld job. And this is some more scrap metal found in the dumpster. And then again, some more railroad track plate. Pretty easy. So like I said, total investment 50 bucks plus regulator. Nice little afternoon project. Now that it's so dang cold out, normally I use the coal forge, which is great, but then I have the garage door open, I'm banging away and the neighbors can't stand that. So this way I can shut the door, keep everything fairly quiet, and I can make knives as late as I want without bugging too many people. So please like, subscribe, tell me what you think. If you have any questions, leave me a message. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Yeah, thanks everyone. Stay warm. Have a good night.